Hi friends, this video shows how to install YouTube app. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to Media tab. Select Media tab from top left corner. Then select all apps. Here we can select this search field. Then we can search for YouTube or go back. We can go down from this video and music apps list. We can select YouTube. Let me select YouTube. Then select this download button. See, queued for download. Now it's downloading YouTube app. Please wait. See, installation completed. YouTube ready to use. Let me go back. So now under media, let me go to app library. Under app library, we can see that installed app YouTube. So from here, we can open YouTube. Let me select YouTube. Then start. See, it says I need to enable HDCP. Let me enable. Okay, enabled. Then go back. Then let me start YouTube again. See, now YouTube is working. See. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.